The avocado oil journey begins.
The sorting efficiency is at 99%.
Good. The rejection rate for the damaged ones is accurate.
Phase 1 complete. Transfer successful. Confirmed. The paste is ready for extraction.
Look at the flow rate on screen 3. The clarity levels are optimal. We have perfect separation.
The pressure looks stable here. Good.
The clarity is exceptional on this batch. We are maintaining the flow rate perfectly.
Check the viscosity reading on the main panel. Looks consistent with the batch profile. We are cleared for bottling.
Check the batch number on this one. Looks clear. Ready for packaging.
All pallets are secured, Supervisor. Confirmed. The count matches the manifest. Seal the doors.
Okay, bring that pallet to aisle 5.
Copy that. Watch your spacing.
Got it. Scan in the next batch now.
The load looks secure. Seal the container.
Pallet 22 goes on row 7. Copy that. Moving it now.
Another perfect, healthy breakfast.
We really enjoy cooking together like this. Yeah?
And it tastes so fresh. Enjoy the healthy meal. It's made with the finest avocado oil. This is the best chicken I've ever had. So fresh.
Experience the pure essence of nature with our premium avocado oil.